What's up, my people? So I come here with some news. I come here with some news. So today, Nigeria is going to play against DR Congo. Nigeria played against Gabon and won them 4-0, putting them ahead to play another playoffs. And then Gabon plays against Cameroon. DR Congo played against Cameroon. DR Congo won Cameroon 1-0. So DR Congo is going to move up. So Nigeria is going to play against DR Congo. They are going to play today at 8 p.m. in Morocco. They are playing the playoffs so they can get a spot for the FIFA 2026 World Cup that's going to be played in USA, Mexico, and Canada. So Nigeria is going to win DR Congo. Who is DR Congo? Nigeria must win. Nigeria needs to win. So Nigerians, support the Super Eagles. Support them as much as you can. Keep supporting them because they will need your help. Keep supporting them. Keep supporting them as much as you can. They will need your help. Even though DR Congo is not easy. They have a very good player. They have players who play in the Premier League. They have players who play in the Premier League. They have Wan Bissaka, a very dangerous winger. Wan Bissaka, take care. Hold Wan Bissaka strong because he's a very good player. So please, the Super Eagles, make sure you do your best. You are going to win. We have many players, many good players. Osimhen, who scored his goal against Gabon. A very good player. We need players like that. We need them. Please put in your best. Support them as much as you can because we need them. All Nigeria have a very big squad, have the most expensive squad. Nigeria has the most expensive squad in Africa. You can imagine, the most expensive squad, and they have big players who played in other leagues, and there are still players who play in other leagues who want to join. But now the coach knows the kind of players, Mr. Eric Shell, he knows the kind of players he needs. And they also need to congratulate Eric Shell for his good and great performance. It's not easy with his way tactical abilities. When I watch the matches Nigerian play, I love it. The Super Eagles, I love the match. So good and nice. Very good and nice. Please support the Super Eagles as much as you can because the Super Eagles, they need to move ahead. The Super Eagles must qualify. They must qualify in order to play the interconfederational playoff, because the Super Eagles will play against the DR Congo. Super Eagles will win. They have to play against another continent, another country, in order for them to get a slot for the FIFA 2026 World Cup that's going to be played in USA, Canada, and Mexico. Please support them as much as you can. They need your support. We have likes of Victor Osimhen, Ademola Lookman, very good players, very good players. We need them. Please support them as much as you can. So the match is going to take place today. In Morocco at 8 p.m. They need your support. Support them, because without your support, and they played a good match. I really love the match against, even though it was tough, I really love the match against Gabon, but yet they still won them 4-0. Do you know what I mean to win a team 4-0? 4-0, man, 4-0. So please support them as much as you can. They need to qualify. They need to be there at the World Cup. Nigeria needs to be there. Without Nigeria, there's no World Cup. Without Nigeria, there's no World Cup. Without Nigeria, there's no World Cup. They should be. Nigeria should be there because Nigeria has a very big social media influence. That they need to be there. Let's just say Nigeria is going to qualify. When they are playing their match, you see big stars come and watch them. Many Nigerians will going to come and watch them. Stars like Davido want to come and watch. Stars like Burna Boy. Stars like Arasta. Stars like Rema, who want to come and watch Nigeria play. And do you know how influential it's going to be? It's going to be massive. Nigerians have the biggest social media influence in Africa. So please Nigerians, support the Super Eagles. They need your support. You get? They need your support. They need to win this match. They need to win this match well, good, so they can qualify for the next playoff. They need to qualify for the next playoff, and it is very important. They need to win this match. Without them, I don't know. You get? Please, Nigeria needs to qualify. Nigeria is an African country who have the best movie industry. They have the best musicians. They have the best squad, the most expensive squad in Africa. Then why shouldn't they qualify for the World Cup? They need to qualify. So Nigeria is going to beat DR Congo, beat them to qualify for the next playoff. Please, Nigerians, support them as much as you can. DR Congo is not a small team. The Super Eagles, DR Congo is not a small team, but you people need to win them. You people need to win them. It's a must win. Win them, beat them hard, so they know. You get? They know. It's very important. Please, I'm begging, support the Super Eagles. Support them as much as you can. They need your support. Keep on supporting them. Encourage them. Continue. They need to win this match. Eric Shell, thank you so much for putting in your all to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Thank you for putting in your all. Please. Thank you. We like the way you put your 1 or 2 start tactics. It's very, very important. You get? Victor Osimhen, keep going ahead. Please, we need you to score more goals to put Nigeria ahead. And then for the other team members, we encourage you to defend and also score goals. We need your presence. We need your presence. In fact, your whole spirit against this match today. We need that. We need that. We want you to qualify to beat every country. Beat DR Congo. When you qualify, when you beat DR Congo, you are going to qualify and go and play the international playoffs. You beat them as well. You get? You need to beat anyone you see. Don't give space for anyone. You people need to be for the FIFA 2026 World Cup. It is very important. Your presence is needed. Your presence needs to be there. You people need to make the World Cup sweet and sweeter. That's why we want you to be there to make the World Cup very interesting, because without you people, without Nigerians, without the Super Eagles, there is no World Cup. Ghana went in 2022. They showed nothing. They were not serious. They were not serious at all. Now this time around, we have Nigeria, we have Ghana, we have South Africa who will go for the FIFA 2026 World Cup. And it's really going to be competitive. It's going to make Africa shine. With other African countries, it's going to make Africa shine. So please, Nigerians, support the Super Eagles against their match today. So the Super Eagles, Nigeria is playing against DR Congo today, 8 p.m. in Morocco. Please, make sure you stay tuned. And please support them as much as you can. They need your support. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.